Hello everybody and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to divide. Before we begin, click on the link on the information section where you can download this 100 charts, and don't forget to watch the video on how to set it up. Feel free to share the link. Now that you're ready, let's begin. Division is when we split things into equal groups. There are many ways to solve division problems. Today, you are going to learn how to divide by skip counting. Let's try the following exercise. Say that we have 24 divided by 4. The first thing you're going to do is to circle the big number on the division problem, 24. Go to your hundreds charts and circle the 24. Now, this number has a name. It's called the dividend. And the dividend is the number that is going to be divided. After you circle your dividend, you're going to skip count to it by the small number. In this case, the 4. You're going to circle the 4. And again, you're going to skip count by 4 until you reach the dividend. 1, 2, 3, 4. This number, the small number, is called the divisor. The divisor is the number by which the dividend is divided. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, all that you have to do to solve your division problem is to count your circles. You're going to count your circles slowly. Touch them as you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. The answer to a division problem is called the quotient. 24 divided by 4 has a quotient of 6. Let's try another one. Have 35 divided by 7. Dividend is 35, so you're going to circle the 35. Now, we're going to skip count by our divisor. We're going to skip count by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we count our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. 35 divided by 7 has a quotient of 5. One more? Why not? Now let's have 27 divided by 9. 27 is our dividend. You're going to circle the 27. 9 is our divisor. We're going to circle the 9 and then skip count by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 27 divided by 9 equals 1, 2, 3. 27 divided by 9 has a quotient of 3. There you have it. If you enjoyed this video and the content of this channel, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!